Like a new lease on life for your refrigerator. The Tomato Man upgraded DA97-20641A refrigerator door shelf is an incredible and indispensable upgrade. It is so much more than a simple plastic bin. It is a masterclass in organization and durability. The original shelves, you see, often crack and break under the strain of heavy jars and bottles. But this replacement is different. It is built to endure, forged from a robust and resilient material that can withstand the rigors of daily use. Furthermore, this Tomato Man Samsung fridge door shelf is a seamless fit, as it clicks into place with the satisfying precision of a puzzle piece completing the picture. Consequently, your drinks and condiments will be held securely, so you can confidently open and close the door without fear of a sudden, disastrous cascade of bottles. Ultimately, this upgraded shelf is the foundation of an organized and efficient refrigerator. Which means no more cluttered chaos, but rather a neat and tidy haven for your groceries. This replacement shelf is a testament to thoughtful engineering, and it is a true workhorse in the kitchen. It is designed not only for compatibility with a wide range of Samsung models, including the 5,300 trillion rupees and 27 trillion rupees 5,200 steradian, but also for superior functionality. For instance, its deeper design offers more space, allowing you to store larger and bulkier items that would not fit in the old, cramped bins. Moreover, the clear material lets you see everything at a glance, and so you will never lose track of a forgotten condiment or a half-empty jar of pickles again. As a result, this enhanced visibility saves you time and reduces food waste, and it is a small change with a big impact. Therefore, the Tomato Man Samsung fridge door shelf is an investment in both convenience and practicality, since it transforms a mundane chore into an effortless task. After all, a well-organized fridge is a happy fridge. In essence, the Tomato Man upgraded DA97-20641A refrigerator door shelf is the unsung hero of your kitchen, the silent guardian of your refrigerated goods. It is an answer to the frustrations of broken shelves and a promise of a more organized future. While other shelves may buckle under pressure, this one stands tall, ready to hold your heaviest milk cartons and your most delicate yogurt cups with unwavering strength. This shelf is a beacon of reliability, consequently ensuring that your refrigerator remains a well-oiled machine, and not a chaotic junk drawer. Therefore, when you install this Tomato Man Samsung fridge door shelf, you are not just replacing a part, you are restoring order and harmony to your kitchen, thereby making your daily life just a little bit easier and a whole lot more efficient. In conclusion, it is a simple solution with an extraordinary impact. Pros: easy to install, sturdy replacement shelf, upgraded design, durable plastic construction. Secure fit, good value for money, improves refrigerator organization, no tools needed for installation, clear plastic for visibility, direct replacement for original part, saves money. Compared to OEM cons. May not fit all models, plastic may not be durable, not an original Samsung part features. Product: refrigerator door shelf, compatibility. Samsung refrigerator, specific models. 5,300 trillion rupees. 27 trillion rupees 5,200 steradian, specific models. 27 trillion rupees 5,561 steradian. 27 trillion rupees 5,201 steradian, type. Freezer door bin assembly, function. Door guard up, replacement part. Easy to install. The Tomato Man upgraded DA97-20641A refrigerator door shelf is a replacement part compatible with several Samsung refrigerator models, including the 5,300 trillion rupees, 27 trillion rupees 5,200 steradian, 27 trillion rupees 5561 steradian, and 27 trillion rupees 5201 steradian. This freezer door bin assembly serves as a door guard, offering an easy-to-install solution for damaged or missing shelves. This replacement door shelf from Tomato Man is an upgraded and durable option for several Samsung refrigerator models, including the 5300 trillion rupees, 27 trillion rupees 5200 steradian, 27 trillion rupees 5561 steradian, and 27 trillion rupees 5201 steradian. It's a direct replacement for the original part and is designed for an easy, tool-free installation. The clear plastic construction allows for good visibility, helping to improve your refrigerator's organization, while it offers a sturdy and secure fit and is a good value for the money. It's not an original Samsung part and may not be compatible with all models. The plastic, though described as durable, may not be as strong as an original equipment manufacturer part.